Hello friends, I am Dr. Darwin and today we are going to study about foramen ovale contents. So here in this particular video we will be talking about what are different 5 openings in medialmost portion of middle cranial fossa. And yes, for students of anatomy or for students of otorhinolaryngology and even ophthalmo also, contents passing through these foramina is very important. So we will talk about foramen ovale, spinosum and rotundum. Small things which you can easily remember. So let's start today. So friends, when we see this middle cranial fossa, as you can see, this is anterior cranial fossa, middle cranial fossa and posterior. So in medialmost portion of middle cranial fossa, if you see, this is superior orbital fissure and sideways to it would be optic foramen. Then this is round foramen, which is foramen rotundum. So R for rotundum, R rounded foramen. Then foramen ovale, oval, you can see. This smaller is spinosum. S for spinosum, S small. Ovale, oval. Rotundum, round. And this irregular foramen, it is foramen lacerum. So these are 5 openings which are important for you. Now when we talk about structures passing through foramen ovale, so as you can see this oval foramen, so remember, as you can see over screen, ovale, O-V-A-L-E. So O stands for otic ganglion, which lies just underneath this foramen. V stands for V3, which is mandibular branch of trigeminal nerve. A for accessory meningeal artery. S for lesser petrosal nerve and E for emissary vein. So this is important. So I hope now you remember structures passing through foramen ovale can be remembered by O-V-A-L-E. Now comes this small foramen which is spinosum. So here remember structure passing are MEN, M-E-N. M stands for middle meningeal artery and vein. E stands for emissary vein. And N stands for nervus spinosus. And the third opening here comes a rounded foramen which is rotundum. So through rotundum, remember M. M stands for maxillary nerve, which is V2. So dear students, V2 passes through foramen rotundum. V3, which is mandibular division, passes through foramen ovale. So this is how remember these 3 foramina. R for rounded foramen rotundum, I repeat. O for oval, which is foramen ovale. Small foramina is spinosum. So here through ovale, O-V-A-L-E. Spinosum, remember MEN, M-E-N. And through rotundum passes M, which is maxillary division of trigeminal nerve. So I hope you remember all these structures passing through these different foraminas. So these are 5 important foraminas. Remember structure passing through foramen ovale. So I hope you like this video. Thank you very much.